Bike Board Enjoy is the first inflatable model intended for families, friends, with the aim of having a good time. Freedom, relaxation, happiness are some of the values that define it. Each of them is designed to make people of different life profiles dream: professionals and elite athletes, people who love the nautical world, those who have a fitness lifestyle, families who like to spend time together and live new adventures, fans who like to try new hobbies during their free time. The new generation of water bikes maintains a place for everyone. The Bike Board implements new features and new advantages connected to the renewal of a new brand concept: fun, adrenaline, comfort, but also elegance, luxury, and details made with the highest quality materials such as carbon fiber.